So at this point, I've already typed my IP address, and it's giving me 192.168.0.2. so this is the IP address from the Xampp. So after I click OK, so it takes me to my database. Now I have to create a database for the value and for the temperature sensor. So this is my value, ardduino.table. Now this ardduino.table is my database. Under it, you can see this is my column and this is my row. So this is the table that I've created for the temperature development. So I asked him to display the time and also the value. So that is exactly what it displays on my web base. For instance, let us check it out now. So localhost ap/ardduino.read. If I click it now, it will display two things for me: the time and the date, including the value. So this is how I configure it on my database. So it will always display the time and the value on my database, also display the time and the value on the web application. So that is on that. Now aside that, you can see, like what I've explained, that the connection field is no longer existing again. So the information that is here, I can fully transfer it to this place by reloading the application. So as you can see, so this has changed to the normal settings. Likewise, this, if I reload it again, it's changed the value to something else. You can see it's changed it to something else. So this is how the information is transferred from the IDE to the database, and at the same time display it on the web page. And this is the essence of this project. Now a summary or a recap of this project is stated below. The first thing, I use a microcontroller, which is Arduino. Second, involved internet shield. I embedded both of them together. Both of them were connected together. Then I now use NTC thermistor to take the reading from the atmospheric temperature or human body temperature and send it to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller, with the help of the internet sheet, will be able to display it on the internet sheet or store it into the database. And as you can see, we have many devices that assist me to implement this project. One of these tools is the computer system, the router, and some of those components that I use on this. You can see this is a two-step gear cable and navigate 45 and a USB. So all these instruments assist me to execute this project. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this episode, please contact me anyway. This 070-6566-8506. Thank you for watching.